Hello and welcome to another episode of What in the Hell Was I Thinking? In this episode we're going to be installing shutoff valves for the upstairs bathroom. Before I continue on and rip out the cast iron tub, I'd like to make sure that the water's shut off, just for obvious reasons, you know, explosion, house flooding. Plumbing. Why did I come up here? Can't remember. Basement time. There's shut-off valves there's two shut-off valves down here. They control everything upstairs. Both bathrooms. And the only workable shower I have is in my master bathroom. So I have to make sure that these shutoffs, first of all, work. And that way I can install other shutoffs to just the bathroom I'm working on. Oh, I hate describing stuff because I suck at it. Oh, that's a bright light. I gotta change out those two shutoff valves. Only one of them works, and the other one terrifies me. If those break, I get no water upstairs. Got some new pipes. I hope I bought ball valves. Did I even buy the shutoff valves? Anyway, this is your first time seeing the basement. Got a little deck out in the back. Kind of a nice view. You can't really see it. I got hella water problems. And a little bit of bowing walls down here, but this will be one hell of a project when I undertake the foundation work. All that dirt, that's where water usually comes in. I kind of controlled it with rerouting my downspouts. But anyway, I'm gonna hopefully see if I have the shutoff valves. Otherwise, this is a big waste of time. And we'll be right back. Here I've rigged up for you wonderful people my duct tape camera hat. Oh, this is so stupid. I did this not only so that I could have a flashlight while I'm working, but so that you lovely people wouldn't have to stare at my crotch while I'm doing the work and you can't see any of it. Now you can see what I see, which is going to be a lot of sparks and possibly my house catching on fire. So let's... Alrighty then. First things first, monster shutoff valves. I hope these are right. Not only that, but what we got here are ball valves, which, unlike your traditional twisty ones that only last for about a week, these ones should last a very long time. Time to go into the spider room. There's enough storage space for 3 nuclear wars. Got a never-ending stream right here. This is probably the worst bowing wall. Joy. Here's the main shutoff. Glad the main shutoff's a ball valve. Whoever did that, cool in my book. I need a hacksaw, just in case. I think I have one. Creepy. Alrighty then, that's draining. So are you. First things first, cutting the pipe. They had to put these shutoff valves up here. Although I guess, oh well, maybe that is the best spot for them. Or the only good spot, I should say. Pain in my penis. You know, another thing I'm trying to show you by making these videos is that you shouldn't be scared to tackle some projects on your own. I mean, if you can afford to pay someone to do a renovation or stuff you need done around the house, then good for you. But you can save a lot of money. A lot of money by doing it yourself. And it's really not all that hard. There's a lot of, it's mainly labor. Labor and time. It's not, there's a little bit of skill that's needed. I don't have that skill. But I guess I have the, what's the word? Naivete to give it a shot. And sometimes it works out. So, if there's a project you're thinking about doing and you're thinking about paying someone, just remember, you could save thousands, even on something small. Even if you're just doing your bathroom, your kitchen, you can save thousands of dollars. Just call some people you know that know these skills. I'm sure they know a little. Everybody knows someone who knows a little bit about something. They'll all work together and help you out. Off camera, my uncles come randomly and help me out. Ew. It's weird. Why is it sticky? But yeah, they show quite a bit actually. I think they enjoy it too. But you know, I learn a thing or two. Get their expertise. But anyway, I hope these videos help you, not only to entertain you, but give you some confidence, because I'm an idiot, and I can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks. Just a side note, random lights are turning on and off in my house. That's kind of creeping me out, but you never know, maybe it's a friendly ghost. I always wanted to have Boo from all the Mario games haunting my house. I always thought that would be the coolest. Such a happy little ghost. I put the thing on friggin' upside down. Oh, I'm never gonna get this done. Oh, just won't take a shower tonight. No one will notice. Who needs to flush the toilets? You know, the people that lived here before me didn't seem to care about that stuff, so why should I? I really should unplug this first, but hey, what have I got to lose? A couple fingers? Yeah, why? Why not? Who needs them? Overrated fingers. Alright, let's friggin' do this. Why is it still dripping? Oi! Open the floodgates. What's the best place to do this? I don't want to be cutting everything. Oh boy, alright. Let's see what happens. Eye protection would be a good idea, but I'm not really all about good ideas. Alright, let's go for the other side. Waterfall number 2. Get out of here. Oh! That's not held on by anything. That's nice. I'm glad I didn't lose a finger. Every day that I wake up with 10 fingers, I need to thank my lucky stars. I'm making sure this is done right. I'm tired of this always being like such a headache. These pipes feed. It really branches off like that? That's weird. Alright, they both go into the tank. Oh, okay, so that one feeds in. There's nowhere else for it to breathe. I don't know. We'll see what happens. clean the gunkies out of there. Joy. Happy. Joy. Alright, for the first time I'm going to actually use abrasive mesh, blah 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 blah. Pretty excited about it because every other time I just kind of used a metal brush, and I don't know, all my solder jobs have always just been from hell. Like if I died and went to hell and I had to spend an eternity soldering, that's how basically all my solder jobs have gone. It's like I'm plumbing for Satan's house. So, I hear it's all in the cleaning. So, I'm gonna make sure this is damn clean. First one, I need roughly 3.5. Awesome. Why am I creating 3 lines? It looks like I'm threading the friggin' piece. What the hell? Ow. Hot. Facing like that. Probably like that. Just pull down. There we go. So. If I had my vise here, I'd solder these first. Make it a lot easier up there, but that's still back at my old house, because I'm smart. Looks like I got a new strand of really old solder. How about that? I can hear water boiling in the friggin' pipe. That's gonna piss me off. I become very silent when I solder. Friggin' pipes. Because it is so nerve-wracking to me. I can't stand water. It's like the one thing I definitely need, and I can't screw it up. Well, one of the few. Why isn't this melting? much heat do you need? I really hate plumbing. I really hate it. I hate it so much. You turn off all the water in the fucking house. You clean it, you do everything you're supposed to do, and guess what? Not good enough. We'll find out shortly if that worked. Alright, next one. Oh man, are you kidding me? That is so cool. Oh, that was right in my knee. Oh. I don't care, it was a good pain. It was a satisfying pain of knowing that this is friggin' working for the first time in my life. That should be it. And to that I say, holy crap. That might have actually gone smoothly. Whew, here goes nothing. Oh, I almost vomited. Yeah! Yes! Yes! Thank you! Oh! Now the only thing I have left to test is whenever I turn them on, if that lasts. Oh, that's the best thing ever! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh man, this is good. This is a good night. That wasn't a complete waste of time. Breathing easy. Alright, I'm taking this thing off my head. I'll be back in a few.